Craving crispy fries without deep frying? Want healthy cooking without the hassle? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers, perfect for making delicious, crispy meals with little to no oil. Whether you've got a small family or a bigger one, there's something here for everyone. Find out the key features, pros and cons of each model, and which one suits your lifestyle best. So let's get cooking. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this.
Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Pro AF141. Let's start with the first product. Tired of soggy fries and greasy meals? What if I told you there's a way to get that crispy goodness with way less oil? Let me introduce you to the Ninja Air Fryer Pro AF141. It's a 4-in-1 little beast that might just change how you cook. It has a 5-quart capacity, which is actually perfect for small meals. You can air fry, roast, reheat, even dehydrate, all in one sleek machine. And thanks to Ninja's Air Crisp technology, it gets up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cooks things evenly, fast, and with way less oil, like up to 75% less than regular frying. It's super easy to use. The non-stick basket makes cleanup almost too easy. It preheats quickly, and even with its compact size, it's spacious enough for 2 to 3 people's dinner. Now, it's not all perfect. There's no digital screen, just manual dials. And if you're cooking for a big family, the 5-quart space might feel small. But if you're a busy person, part of a couple, or have a small family and you want healthier meals without sacrificing flavor, this thing is kind of awesome. Bottom line, it's simple, affordable, and it just works. Set it, crisp it, enjoy it.
Number 2. Casori Air Fryer 9-in-1. Next up, the second product on our list. Are you looking for a big, powerful air fryer that can basically do it all? The Casori Air Fryer 9-in-1 is honestly a powerhouse. With its large 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or meal prepping. What I love most is its turbo blaze technology, which lets you cook anywhere from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so your food comes out perfectly cooked and evenly every time. It's not just for air frying. You can roast, bake, dry, reheat, broil, and even proof dough. Plus, it uses up to 95% less oil, which is fantastic for anyone trying to eat healthier. Cleaning is super easy since the parts are dishwasher safe. The fast turbo modes really cut down cooking time too. The only downside is that it's a bit bulky and takes up more counter space. If you want a multifunctional, healthy air fryer that's also hassle-free to use, the Casori is a great option. Definitely worth checking out.
Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer AF101. Now let's take a look at the third product, the Ninja Air Fryer AF101. This compact 4-quart air fryer is perfect if you want healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. It's a versatile 4-in-1 device that lets you air fry, roast, bake, and even dehydrate your favorite foods. From crispy fries and frozen snacks to juicy meats and fresh veggies, it handles everything with less oil for guilt-free cooking. What I really like is how simple it is to use, easy controls, and a non-stick basket that's a breeze to clean. On the downside, it doesn't have a digital display, and the 4-quart size might be small for bigger families. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 people or need a space-saving, reliable air fryer, this is a solid pick. Final verdict, the Ninja AF101 is an easy, efficient way to enjoy healthier meals every day. Definitely worth trying.
Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex 6QT XL Air Fryer. Coming in at number 4, we have a product that's perfect for quick, no-fuss cooking, the Instant Pot Vortex 6QT XL Air Fryer. If you're after crispy results with less oil, this one's a total win. It's a 4-in-1 multitasker that can air fry, roast, bake, and reheat, making it great for busy families or anyone who just wants fast, easy meals. The 6-quart size gives you enough space to cook for 3 to 5 people, and the controls are super intuitive. Plus, you get access to over 100 in-app recipes, a huge bonus for meal inspiration. Cleanup? A breeze, since the basket is dishwasher safe. On the flip side, it's a bit bulky, so you'll need some counter space. Also, it doesn't have a ton of fancy presets, but honestly, it keeps things simple,
And that's not a bad thing. Final thoughts? If you want a reliable, spacious air fryer from a trusted brand that makes weeknight meals easier, the Vortex XL is a strong choice.
Number 5. QuezinArt Air Fryer Oven, model AIR 200. And finally, the last but definitely not least product on our list is the QuezinArt Air Fryer Oven, model AIR 200. If you want something sleek, sturdy, and super easy to use, this stainless steel air fryer might just be your new kitchen favorite. With a 6-quart basket and 5 presets, air fry, bake, roast, broil, and keep warm, it's designed to make everyday meals quick and stress-free. The controls are simple, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Whether you're crisping up fries or roasting veggies, it gets the job done with less oil and great results. What's great? It looks premium, heats fast, and fits nicely into most kitchen setups. The downside? It doesn't have fancy features like a digital screen or smart presets, just straight-up functionality. So who's this for? Anyone who wants a durable, easy-to-use air fryer without all the bells and whistles. Final verdict? The QuezinArt AIR 200 delivers on performance and build, a solid choice for everyday healthy cooking.